Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. Today I'm presenting the brand new 2026 Palomino Solaire 2580 RBS. It's a nice travel trailer around 26 feet with a big bathroom in the back and a nice solid bedroom in the front. Solaire, one thing they offer you more options and more features, and I'm gonna go in detail to show you why you need to buy the 2580 RBS. One important thing is they have aerodynamic front gel-coated cap in the front. So you have here a gel-coated front cap with a nice LED light. A diamond plate on the front, half diamond plate. 2 propane tank with a cover and electric tank jack. And then you notice one thing, Solaire, they use the gel-coated fiberglass side walls. So it has the shiny vacuum aluminum frame, and you could see is a gel-coated. You could see even my reflections and the reflection of the other unit because this is a thick and it has that extra coating of the gel coated. Another advantage on the 2580, they always give you a big, huge storage. So you could put generators, you could put launchers, tables. Is the door size is bigger and wider. As well, they do a nice finishing inside. They give you even the shelf over here with the lip, so you could put things on it. As well, you have access, another shelf from there. So they finish it. Now, nobody noticed this unit come with motion light in this side, that 110 plug. As well, this unit come with heated enclosed underbelly. So they even the storage, when I put my water, sodas, whatever I put in this basement, I have a heated vent over there, so the stuff, they don't freeze up in the extreme cold. You guys, you need to remember, this is made in Michigan, so they know what is extreme cold weather. Now, nice skirt. Look, all the skirt here is curved at the end. Power stabilizer jack, electric tank jack, so that you have 2 power stabilizer jack in the front, 2 power stabilizer jack in the back, power tank jack. Huge awning. I can't see how big this awning. I mean, so I think it's like almost 20 feet. Power awning with LED light on the side. 200-watt solar panel on the roof. You see that you could see it right there. The solar panel. They give you even the TV bracket, so you could put your 32-inch TV bracket, coax, and 110 plug. Outdoor barbecue grill hookup with the lippers, with LP Connect, and then here's the track. They give it to you. So they give you everything. All you just have to bring your TV and your grill. And beside that, they give you the largest outdoor refrigerator. Everybody give you the tiny one. They give you the bigger one. Again, this is the 2580. It's Azdel fiberglass. It's a big deal. And power jacks. And then if you come in the back, look how beautiful it is in the back. They give you Lippert on-demand ladder hookup, spare tires, and a cover. They give you the nice bumpers for your sewer hose, endless hot water heater, black tank flush, and then here's the docking where you hook up your water. Here's your power cord, and then, as I said, there's the sewage, the gray and the black valve right there. Big windows on the slide. I love the gel-coated, the shiny gel-coated fiberglass. City water connection cable and fresh water connection. This is the 30 amp solar controller, battery disconnect switch. Look how huge this on the front. You could put all kind of stuff. Let's go inside and show you the wow factors in every single bit. Number one, they give you nice, beautiful theater seating with the big middle consoles and a cell phone chargers and a light. It's amazing. And then you have that table in case if you want to put a laptop, or if you want to put a plate for eating, and voila, you sit and eat, no question asked. And that's also the cell phone chargers. Over here, you have the nice dinette with a nice finishing. It's amazing. The slide out, very modern, contemporary light, LED, same like the residential, big windows with the big roller shades. Theater seating, facing the TV and the fireplace. And a huge pantry closet. So ladies, you're not gonna worry about pantry because voila, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves For pantry, you have one tin plug if you want to put appliances or something, run up one tin. The fridge is the 10.87 cubic fridge, open both sides. Big deep freezer, look at it. Nice microwave. I love that curved hood. People, they don't. And then they have the rack here for your, you could use it for backsplash, or you could use it as a cutting board. Big 3-burner range with the oven. L-shaped counter, one tin plug. Even they give you a roll for paper towels. Nice cabinet for silverware. Place for trash can, no problem. I could put my trash can right there. Nice doors for the silverware. The combinations between the gray, the white with the gray veins, and the white cabinet and the black trims cross from the dinette is phenomenal. It is a phenomenal. Now, going to the dinette, solid piece, sit high. This is sit higher. So for me, look, I'm sitting beautiful, facing the kitchen. Then you have a storage underneath the dinette. Beautiful. And here's your big air condition. As well, you have two controller, because this unit, we brought it with the biggest AC in the living area, but it's already prepped for a second AC in the bedroom. So if a customer came to our store and said, you know what, no, I like this unit, but I wanted 2 AC, no problem. We could add the second AC if you want for extra cost. You have a beautiful pocket door. And then if you're coming down here, you have a big place for your TV, another 32-inch TV in the bedroom. This is a true 60 by 80 bed, big closets, place for your CPAP machines and controller, and bigger closet, 2 shelf, that's the benefit from it, so you could put your books, laptop, CPAP, water bottles, full storage underneath the bed, as you see, and place for shoes. So it's I love the curve, and it's ducted AC. Now, one thing, you have additional pantry here, more storage. But one thing I like about it, all the other brands, they make this unit with open. So when you walk in your bathroom in your face, and people are saying, shit, crap, I don't want to see a bathroom when I walk in. That's what I like about the 2580, is a solid wall with a solid door. And then you come over here, voila. Look how big this bathroom. Huge. Nice sink with the prep areas on both sides. Even plug for hair dryers. Nice medicine cabinet. Porcelain toilet, no issue for knees. And then look how big the linen closets. Huge. Look at my elbows. Look at my elbows. Big. Big skylight. Nice. Big nice shower. And people, they don't realize this unit come with a washer dryer closet. This one, what I like about it, they give you everything. So if you decide to have a combo, you leave the shelf and you put combo down. If you decide to put a stackable, I remove these 2 shelves and I could put a stackable wash and dryer. 50 amp service, stackable washer dryer prep, 1 AC prep for second. But the beauty about this one, you could use this bathroom as a changing room. And also if I close the door, you have full privacy in the bathroom. Other brands, they use pocket doors, and pocket doors, you know, they slide in, slide out. And sometimes here, if I close it, and I'm a guest coming to the trailers, I don't see no bathroom. So that's the beauty about the 2580 RBS. Price, shop as much you want, do the dial for yourself. We give you the lowest price, no hidden fees. We make this trailer ready for you at no cost to you. We don't charge nothing. Just you pay the sale price, tax and license. Come to Best RV and grab this unit.